Best foods to eat for reducing the risk of enlarged prostate. In this video, we'll discuss the top foods that can help reduce the risk of enlarged prostate. Before we begin, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for future updates. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDDK, around half of men over 50 experience an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. By the age of 80, approximately 90% of men will have BPH. Contrary to common belief, maintaining a diet rich in specific vitamins and minerals can support prostate health and lower the risk of BPH. Additionally, having a high body mass index, BMI, is a known risk factor for developing the condition. However, making wise dietary choices can not only help manage weight but also reduce the likelihood of developing diabetes. 1. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds serve as a notable zinc source, a mineral essential for optimal prostate function. Individuals with conditions like BPH or prostate cancer often exhibit reduced zinc levels, up to 75% lower than those with healthy prostates. Research suggests that dietary zinc is more readily absorbed than supplements. Incorporating sesame seeds into your diet can promote prostate health. Additionally, almonds, adzuki beans, and pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc. A study conducted on rats even indicates that pumpkin seeds may have potential effectiveness in BPH treatment. 2. Salmon. Being overweight or obese may increase the likelihood of developing an enlarged prostate, as indicated by a review. Elevated levels of omega-3 fatty acids, coupled with exercise, can aid in combating obesity and preventing weight gain. Salmon stands out as a rich source of these beneficial fatty acids, which offer protection against various health issues including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and rheumatoid arthritis, an inflammatory joint condition. If fish isn't your preference, alternatives such as walnuts, ground flax seeds, chia seeds, and canola oil provide ample omega-3 fatty acids. While kidney beans and soybeans contain lower amounts of this compound, salmon remains a significant source due to its fatty nature. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, omega-3 fatty acids play a role in reducing the occurrence of metabolic syndrome associated with prostate enlargement. Recent studies indicate that metabolic syndrome significantly contributes to prostate growth. Additionally, regular consumption of salmon has been linked to reduced inflammation and weight loss, which is noteworthy given that obesity is a major risk factor for prostate enlargement. 3. Bell peppers. Vitamin C, abundant in vegetables, shows promise in BPH treatment. Bell peppers, notably rich in vitamin C, provide approximately 200% of the daily recommended intake per cup of raw peppers. Other vegetables high in vitamin C that you might consider incorporating into your diet include broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Tomatoes, known for their lycopene content, a carotenoid responsible for their vibrant red color, possess antioxidant properties that may lower the risk of prostate cancer and benefit men with BPH. Research suggests lycopene can slow BPH progression and reduce prostate-specific antigen, PSA, levels, associated with prostate inflammation and cancer. Pairing lycopene-rich foods with healthy fats like avocado, nuts, oil, or butter enhances nutrient absorption. Lycopene is also found in watermelon, apricots, pink grapefruit, papaya, and avocados, the latter of which are high in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol reported to alleviate BPH symptoms. Some individuals using beta-sitosterol supplements experience improved urinary flow and reduced residual urine volume, although the safety and efficacy of such supplements remain uncertain. Additionally, foods high in beta-sitosterol include pumpkin seeds, wheat germ, soybeans, and pecans. Increasing vegetable intake, particularly green leafy vegetables rich in antioxidants, can lower the risk of BPH. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli also contribute to this effect and may mitigate prostate issues like BPH and cancer. Regular consumption of onions and garlic, common in natural medicine, may further reduce the risk of BPH and bolster immune function. 4. Onion and garlic. The documented anti-inflammatory and immunomodulatory properties of red onions are known to aid men in reducing the size and weight of their prostate glands. Conversely, garlic possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant attributes, as highlighted in a study. Garlic has demonstrated its potential to alleviate inflammation and improve the condition of patients with prostate enlargement, with some evidence suggesting effectiveness in treating prostate cancer. 5. Tofu. When discussing the significance of soybeans in a prostate-healthy diet, it's crucial to highlight tofu as a notable source. Numerous studies have illustrated that, besides beta-sitosterol, soybean isoflavones play a role in maintaining prostate health. Isoflavones have been shown to impede the growth of prostate tissue in individuals with BPH and may even restrict cell division in cancer patients. Tofu, derived from soybeans, offers a versatile option in various Asian cuisines or can be blended into tasty smoothies with fruits. 6. Spinach. Incorporating green leafy vegetables into one's diet is advised for prostate cancer prevention, as indicated by multiple studies. Heightened intake of these vegetables has been linked to a decreased risk of developing prostate-related conditions. Extracts from spinach, such as spinatin and pachlytin, have been subject to research to assess their effects. Spinach contains 2-polyphenol that have shown promise in this regard. One study found that spinatin reduced prostate cancer growth by 30%, while treatment with pachlytin slowed prostate cancer progression by approximately 50%. 7. Broccoli. Individuals with prostate issues or those seeking to prevent them can derive significant benefits from cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and similar foods. Broccoli, in particular, contains sulforaphane, an antioxidant compound. Research, conducted on both animal and human models, has shown varying degrees of success in utilizing sulforaphane. Phytochemicals found in broccoli, like sulforaphane and beta-carotene, demonstrate the ability to selectively target and eliminate damaged prostate cells while leaving healthy cells unaffected. Despite broccoli not being the most popular vegetable, its nutritional value is substantial. It can be incorporated into healthful salads or blended with other vegetables and fruits in breakfast smoothies for a nutritious start to the day. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which also includes cauliflower, bok choy, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Ongoing research aims to determine the most effective method and dosage for achieving optimal benefits. 8. Turmeric. In Indian cuisine, the prevalent use of a particular spice underscores its significance. This spice contains a compound called curcumin, making it a valuable addition to your daily diet and a healthy choice. Beyond curcumin, additional minor curcuminoids have demonstrated synergistic anti-cancer effects. Researchers have found that a combination of 3 curcuminoids significantly inhibits prostate cancer cell activity compared to curcumin alone, representing a notable advancement. Preventing prostate enlargement is preferable to resorting to invasive treatments such as transurethral restriction or other surgical interventions, even when the condition is not severe. An enlarged prostate can lead to urinary flow issues and uncomfortable symptoms resembling those of a urinary tract infection. However, by incorporating new items into the diet, we can mitigate the risk of prostate cancer and slow the progression of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.